Hello guys, here we are going to make video on app name change and package name change. Let's see how we change this. Just first of all open this manifest file. You can see here in application tab you can see this is our app name. The label property will be set to our app name. In string file we had set our app name, so let's see where it. Just open resource file. In resource file the values resource directory. In value resource directory you can see this all string file. Our ebook have different languages feature, so this is our first default string file. Here you can see this app name string, the value is ebook, so this is our app name. You can change it to your app name. So just copy this. We have to change this app name string in every string file. Let's paste here. Just select Arabic and just copy this. Here the app name is in Arabic language. We have paste this. Just open English string file. Here you can see app name ebook. Let's replace to this. Your app name. This default file and English file both have same string value. In French the app name, let's replace, select here French and replace. In Hindi e-pustak, just select Hindi. your app name Hindi is आपके ऐप का नाम. Just paste it. Change in every string file. Here you can see this app name string, so just change all these values in every string file. Let's see how it looks. Just run it. This is our default string file. This simple step you have to follow to change app name. Just this label, you can set it over here like this. Your app name, your app name. We had set it in different string files, so we can use easily or change it different languages. Let's see in app. Here you can see your app name. This is our app name. Let's back from the app. Or see here. Let's zoom it out. Here you can see your app name. This ebook replaced by your app name. Here you can set your as per your wish. This is all about app name change. Now let me tell you one thing. Here you can see this ebook based. This ebook also you can replace. So in string file, just scroll it down. Here this app based book, ebook based. This is the string we had set over here. So just change this ebook to your app name, or you can change it as per your will. So you have to change these in remaining string files, all string files. So just find it out, app based book, just replace app name based in Arabic, copy this and paste here. In English, just scroll down, find that app based book, just your app name. This will be set over here. Let's run this changes. This you have to change this in every string file. As you can see, in every string file this key head. See here. So just change it out and see. Let's see. Just clean this and now run it. Take time to run. App name change is easy to change. Just see here a label, open this file. Here you have to set your name. Take time to Gradle building. So just wait for a while. Now the Android Studio launching our app after 3 minutes. It's take too much time. Just close down. Here you can see this changes, this app name based book changes. Here you can see your app name based. So just change in every languages so you can see these changes in every language when your app run on that language. So this is all about app name changes. Let's see package name changes. Close these string files. Here now we are learn how to change package name of app. This is our package name in manifest file. So you can change it to your company name dot package name. Yes, our package name is Divantex dot ebooks app. So you can change it as per your will. We had said our package name like company name dot package name. So Divantex dot ebooks app. So you can change it like this. Now these changes we have to done at 3 different places. This is one change. Open app level build.gradle file. This is app level build.gradle file. Just open it or scroll down in default config. You can see here this application ID. So you have to replace this by your new package name and just sync down. After sync down, you have to change it over here, this directories. This is also our package name. In Android, our code will be executed at the end of package name. So as our package name changes, this directory file name also changes. So keep it in mind. Just open this option menu, compact middle packages, just unticked. After unticking this, you can see that every directory replaced in different rows. So now we are changing as we read this com dot company name dot package name. So let's first copy this and Divantex will be replaced by our company name. So just right click on Divantex directory, refactor and rename package and paste here and just refactor it. Here the Android Studio get confirmation from us that you really want to change this, so that just will refactor it. So this Divantex will be replaced by company name. All file in this package or our in code will be changed Divantex to company name. Now these changes happen. Now let's ebook will be replaced by our package name. So just right click on this, find refactor, click on rename, just rename package and paste your new package name and just refactor it. Just this confirmation, so just do refactor. See here, this directory name has been changed. Now this remaining code changes happen. Let's see here and you can check it in your code here. This is package.activity. So this is our package name. Now you can see every places the package name has been changed. So this is the simple steps to change the package name. Hope you are getting me. Now we have done app name change and package name change. Thank you. Have a nice day.